This month we're going with the single arm horizontal pull using the ring. So easy version, come back, weight in the legs, bend the knees a little bit, and drive the hips up as you pull. Really trying to integrate that nice spino-scapo-glenohumeral rhythm where you're really pulling that shoulder blade right down and back, and reaching up with the opposite arm. To make that harder, just coming down. From there you can kick the knees bent and drop the hips, integrate the hips. Making it harder again, you can just have the legs straighter, still driving the hips, or you can do it strict. Heavier again. So they are quite hard, so depending on the rep range that you're working, you can adjust it for that. Then we're going into a single arm push. So you're going with the band. If you had a cable set up, you could use that. Or you could just do it, you've got dumbbells, you do a single arm floor press and then a separate lunge. This one's quite good, you're just getting that weight shift from the back leg, reaching forward, driving down into that lunge. Breathing in, exhaling as you come down, really using that hip to drive the arm. Obviously a bit more band tension is going to make it harder with that, or heavier cable. Pretty simple, but in terms of there's only two movements, but you've got a left and right side, and they're both very complex movements in the sense that there's a lot of coordination involved, a lot of body awareness, rather than just a straight double arm pull, double arm push, and a straight step back lunge. There's a rotational aspect to both of them, so you want to appreciate that when you're going into it. But yeah, just work the rep ranges. This workout, you've got 30 seconds one arm, 30 seconds the other arm, 30 seconds one arm, 30 seconds the other arm. So there's not really much of a rest. If you had the time, you could turn it into like a 30-second interval round. So it turns it into a 2.5 minute round rather than a 2-minute round, and then it'd be a 10-minute workout rather than the kind of standard 8 minutes that I like and that we use in the classes. But really that's up to you. It just depends on how you feel, and if you want to, if you're pushing it a bit heavier and you need a bit more of a rest. If the reps are a bit lower, then you might not, you might be alright, or if the weight's a bit lighter, you might want to just keep moving and make it more of a kind of cardiovascular style workout. But you just want to tick those movements off and get the feeling of how to get that nice integration and get some really good strengthening with that one arm pull horizontally, which will carry over into that vertical, ultimate one arm full body weight pull up. So enjoy the workout, get into it.